this time, look kayak ini. Control Alt S. Okay, Control Alt S. Okay. First of all, when you are composing a paragraph, you have to know that in one paragraph there must be one topic sentence or one main ideas. One main ideas mean one topic sentence. Let me give you the example. One main ideas. For example, if you want to compose about the price of gasoline, there are a great variety of the gasoline price in the world. See, this is the main idea. So remember that the main idea are in the form of sentence, not in the form of phrase. So if you wrote main idea like this, the price of gasoline. This is not sentence. So because this is not sentence, this is just a phrase. So you cannot call this one as the main idea. The main idea must be in the form of sentence. So this is not main idea. So I delete this, yeah. I delete this. So you need to use this sentence because this is sentence. There are a great variety of gasoline price in the world. So this is topic sentence. Remember, the first characteristic of topic sentence or the first characteristic of main idea is in the form of sentence. I think you have already learned this in the previous semester. I hope you still remember that. And then secondly, you have to decide. Topic sentence consists of topic, noun, and and limiting statement. Okay, remember, main idea consists of topic, noun, and limiting statement. I just review what you have already learned in the last semester. So anytime I assign you writing tasks, you remember you should start with the topic sentence when you are composing, when you write a composition, what I mean, so you start with main idea. And the main idea consisted of topic, noun, and limiting statement. Now, what is the topic noun? What are you going to talk about in your composition is topic noun. Topic noun is noun that you are going to talk in this composition. So you want to talk about what? Noun. Yang noun mana? Yang noun ini ada kata gasoline price in the world. Ya, so gasoline price itu adalah hal yang akan kita bicarakan. Makanya disebut dengan topik noun. Yeah, so let me write the gasoline price. And then, what is limiting statement? Limit, from the word limit, membatasi, supaya cerita kita nggak kemana-mana. So, will limit your idea. Your idea will only focus on this. Ya, jadi dilimit dengan kata apa? Variety. Ada kata great variety. Variety itu berarti harganya macam-macam. Ya, variety. Dan ada kata yang membatasi, di situ ada kata world. Oke. Ya, jadi nanti kalau Anda mengarang paragraf, satu main idea, jangan lupa you should focus on the word gasoline price and world variety. Ya, contohnya. Oke. Saya berikan contoh satu kalimat. The world itu consisted of many countries, right? So you can give the example of in China, the price of gasoline is relatively cheap. Oke, titik. It is about, for example, 400 yuan per liter. Per liter. Now, this is wrong. So you need to click on that. Check. Liter. Per liter. Sorry, I forgot how to spell liter. Per liter. Oke, ya. Which is equal to, for example, ya, 5.000 rupiah. Okay, in China, because you mentioned the world. So the world can be, it will be in China. You can talk about China. You can talk about Japan. You can talk about Brazil. You can talk about the Australia, for example. So this is the world. So after China, you want to talk about, remember, great variety means it can be cheaper than Indonesia. It can be more expensive than Indonesia. It can be the same because you use variety. So the variety will control your idea. So for example, you are going to talk about the price of gasoline in Brazil. So you type the second idea. Meanwhile, for example, use the connector. Meanwhile, in Brazil, the gasoline price is more expensive than in China. For example, ya. And then China. It costs triple. You know, triple means 3 times. It costs triple. Then Japan. So the gasoline price is more expensive than in China and in Japan, for example, ya. So you add it. Tidak akan mengubah main idenya. It costs triple than Japan and sorry, and it and edit and connector, yeah, it cost uh, six fold, fold kelipatannya 6 kali lipat. Then China. Okay, full stop. After you talks about Brazil and China, one more sentences. For example, you want to give the example in Indonesia. However, for example, so always give the connector. Don't forget to check it. All right. Give the connector. However, in Indonesia has, yeah. So don't worry if you just deleting, adding your idea and then delete again. It's a natural process during your writing. So you delete, you edit, and then you add some ideas. Don't worry about that. This is natural for you as the beginner writer. Apa yang salah di sini kok biru? Anda cek. Oke, berarti harus ada dash. Indonesia has the cheapest price of gasoline in the world. So, see. Nah, setelah itu Anda hapus ini karena Anda sudah tahu, oke. Gasoline is the topic noun. See, every sentences here always contain kata gasoline. Yang kedua, ini kalimat kedua juga ada kata gasoline price. Kalimat yang ketiga, ini juga ada kata price of gasoline. Jadi makanya gasoline price atau price of gasoline become the topic noun of this composition. And then ada kata world sebagai limiting, itu ada Brazil, ada China, ada Indonesia. Kemudian ada Japan, sedikit disinggung juga di sini, dan ada kata variety. Variety ditunjukkan dengan kata cheaper, the cheapest, the more expensive, sixfold, 6 kali lipat harganya, triple, anything like that. So variety. So if you write a paragraph, remember that you need to pay attention whether your main idea above here, your main idea has the topic noun and both has topic noun and limiting statement. If your main idea did not have topic noun and limiting statement, nanti karangan Anda bisa ngelantur kemana-mana. Setelah itu Anda hapus ini. Ding. Nah, so between main idea, this is main idea, let me give you a sign here, ME, main idea, dan ini ada yang disebut dengan supporting sentence, in China, in Brazil, in Japan, in Indonesia, ini disebut dengan supporting sentence. Jadi saya tulis SP. SP. Jadi, between main idea and supporting sentence itu apa ya? Match. Sementara ini karangan Anda, ya, at the moment when I check your composition consisting only one paragraph, yes, sudah benar, tetapi the main idea is not clearly stated. Main idenya tidak betul-betul jelas diungkapkan di situ apa main idenya. Makanya karangan Anda itu sedikit kemana-mana ceritanya. All right, this is the tip, the first tip for me. After that, you try to make your own composition, your own paragraph consisting of one main idea. Um, uh, Give a try. Yeah, give a try one more by revising your composition into good paragraph with one main idea. All right, so keep up the good work. Bye.